Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be removing the bed, the tailgate, and the rear bumper. The battery's disconnected, so I took this plastic off so I can take it up, open it manually. And it's open. I'm going to take this off. Right there. And I gotta loosen these. Everything's already loosened, so most of it. I disconnected the cable already too. This one's good, so I'm gonna go put it somewhere where it's safe. Place it right here for now. This one's already loose too. I went on and took off the bolts ahead of time, so the video's shorter. This one's really stiff since the frame is crooked. It's stiff right here. It shouldn't be this hard to take this off usually. Took these off. Screws already has 2 screws right here. Usually has a harness, but I took them off also already. Alright, the bed's still bolted on. I think it has 8 bolts to secure it. And this truck also came over here. This truck has rock lights, so I had to find the harness so I could disconnect them too. See, it has 2 rock lights on each side, so I just disconnect those too. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take it off with this exhaust sticking out like that. Let me see right now. I'm gonna take these off because so I don't mess them up when I put the bed down. There's a clip right here. Also gotta take these little fasteners because they fall off. So you gotta take them off. Solve them. those. I'll take these over there. I'll just put them right here for now. Oh, the one over here is shot, so there's no point in taking it off. I need to check if I can loosen the exhaust or take it off somehow. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, you can loosen it. I'm gonna loosen this part right here, so yeah. And I see the harness right here too. Let me see. You can see this part of the exhaust right here. It's bolts on right here, so it's separate. I'm gonna take this off, and that's the harness for the rock lights right there. So I'll get back with you guys when I take it off. Alright, so we just got this exhaust out. Damn, look at it. Look at this shit. Stainless, bros. Sheesh. Thing's nice. I might not go this route for the exhaust. I might do the 2 exhausts in the back from the rear bumper. But I'm gonna have to do something like this because the whole front of from the catch from here, it's all like this. It's really nice. Let's just put these on real quick. I hate these trucks. You get greasy all real quick. The whole frame is coated with grease. It's annoying. Alright, so I'm gonna put this over here. I'll put it right here for now. That's one side. Well, I also gotta disconnect this. I haven't disconnected it. Yeah, let me do that real quick. There we go. That's unplugged. Let me do that same on the other side. It's a little bit of tight squeeze over here. It'll be done. And I can't wait till this truck is done. Alright guys, so I took off the exhaust. Man, look at my hands. These things get you dirty. Took off the other exhaust. They're over there. And now I'm gonna drive the forklift over here so we can remove the bed. Let's just do that real quick. Forklift certified. Leave it right here for now. Hold on, let me go get this bar. It's my first time using this, so I don't know. Do this. It has adjustments. Man, this one's hard. When it comes out. I'm going to have to do it from the very edge because the forks are not long enough. We need to get extenders. Just need more. Here, I think we need to bring him over here. All right, go right there and lift it up where the forks go. Lower. They don't even reach, huh? I'm gonna go a little closer. Somebody want to hit right here. How close am I to the hitch? Right there? A little more? Yeah. Right, that's good? Put it in neutral. Alright. Damn, they need to be longer. I'm gonna try it. I was gonna go up. Yeah. Move. Yeah, go to the back. Yeah. Here, bring that thing more over here, like on the edge. Here, bring it over here. More. That's all the way? Oh, we gotta bring those in. Oh, it's topando. That's good. I'm gonna just leave it right there. I'm gonna lift it up. That's not gonna work. I can go closer. I'm gonna try to go closer. What happened? What is hitting on? What is it hitting on? What is it hitting on? It's up, but let's go over here. Over here too. Are the bolts off of here? Oh, they are. They should come up. I don't know. We gotta readjust this. I think it's all like off center. We gotta readjust it so it fits better. Yeah, just. Alright, we're gonna cut the video for now. We're gonna get it good and we're gonna start the video up when it's good. It's coming off. Man, this is sketchy. Whoa. This bed doesn't work anyway, so. We got it off. See the damage. Damn, look at this. And look at that upgraded fuel system. Check it out. Damn, look at these exhausts. And that's an aftermarket fuel pump. 4. Yeah, look at that. Damn. Oh, this is the cable that comes in from the cab. There's like a module right here inside the cab. So it comes out to here, to there. Man, that's crazy. Man, look, it has like a gauge right here to keep pressure, I think. I don't even know. Look at that. Damn. Oh, this is for heat, for the wiring. They got down on this truck. Oh, the plastic. Oh, I gotta take this one off too. It's probably a goner. There we go. That still work. I don't know. Put this down. Oh, I gotta loosen this. This is not letting it down. Why is it pulling? Oh, here, loosen that over there, Mano. I gotta lift this up. Nah, we're good. Should go back. Put it down. Put the forks down. Never mind. I got it. This would have worked good if we had extensions, but since we didn't, we gotta improvise. Forklift certified. Yes, sir. Man, we need to get the forklift extensions ASAP. So else this would be like pretty much useless. Alright, now that we got the bed off, we want to start loosening everything up from the engine bay so we can take off the cab too. Let's come over here and start. Man, look at that beauty. Looks nice, huh? Don't forget to like and subscribe.